So here's this one is the starter of the Volvo wheel loader. So I'm going to start it. It's not starting. So now I will ask operator. He will try to start and you can check the reaction of the starter. Start karo. So you can say. Phir karo. So you can heard this sound. Okay, tuck. You heard the sound. It's mean this relay is working and this relay is operating this solenoid, but this current, this battery current not passing to the motor. So it's mean problem this solenoid. This solenoid or maybe this starter motor. So I'm going to open this one and we'll check where is the issue. Okay, this relay is giving again check, again start, again check. So you can see this relay is operating, this solenoid is again, this sound is coming from this manner, but this is not starting. So it means the problem may be in the motor or in the solenoids. I'm going to open it and check it. So here's now I am removing this starter motor. You can see battery cable. I have removed the battery cable from here, positive side, and this one from negative side. I also have removed this bolt, and one bolt is here and one bolt is a downside. Okay, so after removing that bolt, where starter will be free, I will came out. So you can see I have removed this starter. Okay, so now I will take it to my workbench and there I will dismantle it and check inside what is the issue, why this starter is stuck, why it is not moving. So you can see I have made the connections. Now I am going to test this starter outside, and this wire will I put into here. This power go to relay and relay this start this. So you can see this is not too much power. It's not power. It's not moving like this. You can see this like this. Okay, it's working inside here like this. Like this it was working in machine like this, not moving. Okay, so you can see smoke is coming out from here. I just show you. We'll see smoke is coming from here. You can see. Smoke is coming here. So this solenoid has the issues. Now you can see smoke is coming from here. Okay. So viewers, I told my foreman that this solenoid is giving the smoke. Okay, so problem this solenoid is too much. It is hot. So he told me send this starter motor to the market. So they will change the solenoid. So I am sending this starter motor to the market. So here you can see I have removed this solenoid. It is still too much hot. Now I am sending this starter motor to the market and they will fix the another solenoid here. So here you can see this solenoid have changed because I sent this starter motor to the market. Okay, so they have changed this solenoid and also they also changed this. Okay, so now I am going to fix this starter motor back to my wheel loader. Okay, so as you can see I have adjust this starter motor here. Now I am going to tight its bolt, and after tightening this bolt I fix this electrical connections. Okay, so here you can see I have fixed back this starter motor, tight all the bolt, and also made the electrical connections. Battery cable is positive here, negative is here, and these are also fixed eye relay connections. Okay, now my starter is ready to start the machine. So, and I will ask to operator start the machine. Okay, start. Okay, start machine. So here you can see my problem has solved. Okay, so this is another starter from I fix it. Now my machine is starting. Hope you like this video. Please don't. So viewers, you saw my problem has solved. No more problem there to this machine. This machine is ready to for work. And hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Take care of yourself.